Welcome to the beginning of your digital marketing journey. This isn't just another course, it's your next step to a future filled with opportunities. This guide contains 4 modules: strategy, theory, channels, and professional, along with 25 courses. We've laid out 8 different paths to choose from. Digital marketing basics. Learn the most valuable marketing skills first without specializing. Build a complete strategy from scratch to get viewers, capture their emails, and turn them into paying customers. This alone will put you in the top 1% of digital marketers.
Buying this course was the most important decision I ever made in my career.
Freelancer. Did you ever dream of being your own boss? Then freelancer is the path for you. You will learn to attract clients, manage projects, and create a personal brand that stands out from the rest. Learn the high-paying and in-demand skill of building a digital marketing strategy to kickstart your career.
This is the best course out there. Practical examples with templates that I was able to use to make my $1,000 a day sale.
Web developer. Create stunning website worth hundreds of dollars in just a few hours. You will learn web development effortlessly without needing any coding skills. Get deep insights into web design to create effective and captivating websites to grow any business anytime.
I have signed up my first client, building them a simple site for $850.
Content marketer. Walk the content marketer path to become a storyteller who not only captures attention, but also inspires action. Learn how to create content on any platform that connects with your audience, turning them from viewers to customers.
I'm not even halfway through the course and I would have paid $1,000 plus for all of this.
SEO specialist. Master the art of making websites visible in search engines by taking the SEO specialist path. Learn how to drive traffic and generate results by optimizing content, using keywords, and understanding your analytics. It's not just about being seen, it's about being seen by the right people.
I learned more practical use from the first few videos than from my entire $600 digital marketing course.
Social media manager. Step into the world of a social media manager. Learn to lead trends, captivate audiences with your posts, and grow a following, giving brands a powerful online presence, turning engagement into community.
It's just what I need to get noticed, solve a problem, and get paid.
Marketing analyst. Turn data into decisions. As a marketing analyst, you will learn how to interpret website traffic, user behavior, and campaign performance to improve your results. Once you understand the data, it's all about doing more of what works and less of what doesn't.
It simply answers all my questions and saving me hundreds of dollars delegating this work to someone.
Digital marketing expert. Master digital marketing to get a job, start a business, or freelance. By learning all parts of digital marketing, you will learn to handle a brand's entire presence, reaching thousands or millions of people. You will go through the entire course from the beginning to the end, giving you complete mastery over digital marketing.
More than once I've woken up in the morning to find I have made over $1,000 in my sleep.
This is your roadmap to success. You will find it as a downloadable PDF in the resources. Every lesson is a step towards mastering the skills that you need in order to succeed. And we are here to guide you through every challenge and celebrate every achievement. If you don't know which path to choose, don't worry. Every path starts with the most important digital marketing skill of all, building a strategy, and become the top 1% of digital marketers. See you in the next lecture.